For upper body rolling, supine and prone, you're going to start in this kind of position on your back, in this case, although you could also start prone. We're going to have your feet together and your legs relaxed with your arms directly over your shoulders. From here, we're going to pick your head up, look to one direction, and reach an arm across your body using only your upper body to drive the rotation. The lower body is relaxed. So now from prone to supine, you're basically going to do the opposite. We're going to pick your arm up, look at your hand, and keep trying to turn your head the direction you're going as you use only your upper body to then rotate. So the goal here is you're letting your head and your arm lead the movement with everything below the waist completely relaxed and off, only letting the arm and the neck basically do the rotating.